Okay, this is the progress on the Buick Wildcat. I'm taking it out of the body shop. They install these moldings on the fenders. They install this rain drip molding and the side skirts with the moldings too. And then we have this molding back on the hood. So it's coming together again. Now it won't start. It will start if I prime the carburetor. I put some gas in it a little bit and it will start. But then it dies right away as soon as that gas runs out. So I'm thinking it's either the fuel pump or the carburetor float. This car comes with a 4-barrel carburetor. It's called Quadrajet. And that's gonna be next. We're gonna be working on it here at the shop. Once it's running, I'm gonna take it back to the guy and have him put the chrome around the windows and this piece of molding. I need to go somewhere and buy the clips, and I have to drill a little hole somewhere around here to put that last piece of molding. And that's the progression on the Buick Wildcat 1968.